What's going on, you guys? It's your girl Tatiana Jador and Zion. We're back again with another banger. Make sure y'all like, share, comment, and subscribe, and hit that bell notification. So I know y'all wondering, what is this girl cooking? Y'all, I am making some beef stew, and we ran to Target and found some sugar cookies, some green sugar cookies. So we're going to try the little Christmas sugar cookies or whatever not. So yeah, y'all stay tuned and make sure y'all support your girl and support baby Zion. Y'all, when I say this food so good, look at him. He turned food. Is it good? So it's really good. All right, y'all. So Zion and I, we bought some cookies right here. That's in the background from Target yesterday. Some sugar cookies, and we're about to give them a try to see how good they are. So let's see. Zion, let's see, y'all. Let's see what these cookies looking like. I'm gonna sit the phone down so we can try it. Zion, come here. Here. Okay, come here. You already, y'all, he already bit his cookie. Scoot back. All right, let's try a cookie. Ready? Well, let me try my cookie. Let's see. This is good. I will give it an 8.5. These are the cookies. Put the fun of some. Y'all, I give these cookies an 8.5. Yay. They're right. And again, we got these cookies. Yeah, I'm trying to get the Christmas tree. I love that Christmas tree. We got these cookies from Target. Zion seems to really like it. You really like it? Ew. So he seemed to really like it. I'm not for sure how I really feel, but I give it an 8.5. But yeah, make sure y'all like, share, comment, and subscribe. Hit that bell notification, and thank y'all for watching our channel. And once again, come here, Zion. Come here. Let's tell the people, y'all, he got cookies all over his lip. Y'all say thank y'all for supporting us. We are very grateful for y'all, and we love each and one of you guys, right? Yes. Right. Say peace out. Love y'all. Bye. Bye.